Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Book Class 5th. Lesson number 17, Where in India? Fill in the blanks. To tell where in India, you can find the following. The two shipbuilding yards are in Vishakhapatnam, Kochi. VISHAKHAPATNAM, Vishakhapatnam. Kochi, KOCHI, Kochi. The largest bauxite producing state of India. Odisha, ODISHA, Odisha. The famous Kovalam beach is in Kerala, KERALA, Kerala. Large quantities of gypsum are found in Rajasthan, RAJSTHAN, Rajasthan. First white revolution took place in Anand, Gujarat, ANAND, Anand, GUJARAT, Gujarat. A big refinery in Bihar, Baroni, BARAUNI, Baroni. Largest producer of copper, Madhya Pradesh, MADHYA, Madhya, PRADESH, Pradesh. Largest cotton producing state, Gujarat, GUJARAT, Gujarat. Diamonds are found in the state of Madhya Pradesh, MADHYA, Madhya, PRADESH, Pradesh. Gold is mined in the state of Karnataka, KARNATAKA, Karnataka. A major sugar producing state, Maharashtra, MAHARASHTRA, Maharashtra. The largest petroleum producing state in India, Rajasthan, RAJASTHAN, Rajasthan. Saffron is found in abundance in Jammu and Kashmir, JAMMU, Jammu, KASHMIR, Kashmir. Chromite is found in the state of Odisha, ODISHA, Odisha. Oroville is located in Puducherry, DUCHERRY, Puducherry.